Centennial Innovates.
Centennial Innovates in Transportation.
Centennial Innovates is the Applied Research, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Department here at Centennial College in Toronto, and we are passionate about sustainable transportation research as one of our key innovation areas. In fact, we received $1.5 million from NSERC over 5 years to invest in research projects related to sustainable transportation, specifically on connected, autonomous, smart and electrified vehicle technology development.
Centennial's Applied Research Department is an innovation hub for development and testing of advanced automotive and manufacturing technologies, smart mobility solutions, and their integration into relevant software and hardware platforms. We leverage the cutting-edge facilities and equipment available at the School of Transportation. We give researchers and aspiring entrepreneurs the tools, expertise, and resources they need to successfully bring their technologies into the real world. Whether it's connected vehicles, vehicle-to-vehicle, vehicle-to-everything communications, cybersecurity, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, sensory data fusion, as well as low-carbon mobility, electric powertrains, EV charging, and batteries. Companies and organizations, even if they lack funding, can come to us to get access to government grants and execute their applied research projects at Centennial.
Centennial's innovation in transportation includes ensuring that as we transform towards these new technologies, we're not marginalizing vulnerable communities further. We are deeply engaged with industry partners to influence the transition to be more equitable.
Centennial College's School of Transportation is one of the largest training providers of maintenance and repair in the country, and by far the largest in Ontario. As the only GTA college that specializes in transportation programs, we cover it all, from small engines right up to all of the automotive trades, through to truck and coach and heavy equipment, and then right on up into aviation. Our very latest that we've added is electric light rail, the fastest growing mode of urban transit in the country.
We spent a great deal of time, money, resources, technical expertise building our electric vehicle program, both for automotive and for bus technicians. Employers in both the private and the public sector have been utilizing our training to help bridge that knowledge gap that technicians are now facing with regards to EV technology and the maintenance. Our department works closely with Canada Post, City of Toronto, City of Brampton, City of Mississauga, Durham Region, Canadian Tire, and these are just a few of the employers that we're working with.
We've expanded our fleet of vehicles to include several Toyota Prius Prime plug-in hybrids, as well as a full electric Ford F-150 Lightning and Chevrolet Bolt. We've also acquired a plethora of hybrid and electric vehicle batteries, including both nickel metal hydride and full electric vehicle lithium-ion options for training courses.
We're currently working with the Amalgamated Transit Union and the Toronto Transit Commission in a Bus of the Future project designed around creating a bus that is safer for driver, passengers and pedestrian, all while minimizing the impact on the environment.
Our students work directly with industry partners on real-world challenges to develop not only their technical skills, but professional skills as well. Centennial is the #1 college in Canada for providing paid student internships in applied research, and we see these internships as one of the most impactful ways to future-proof our students and give them hands-on, experiential learning opportunities.
Centennial College is working with OVIN, the Ontario Vehicle Innovation Network. We're focusing on priority initiatives that will train Ontario's workforce for emerging transportation technologies. Through a partnership with York University, we've secured funding for an RTDS, a Regional Technology Development Site, which puts Centennial in a network of colleges and universities all working together to build Ontario's strength in connected, autonomous, smart and electrified vehicles.
We welcome you to come and collaborate with us and leverage the excellent innovation support and expertise available here at Centennial College.
Centennial Innovates in Transportation.
Centennial Innovates in Transportation.
Centennial Innovates in Transportation to help power our future.
Centennial Innovates to prepare our students for career success.
Centennial Innovates to accelerate sustainable technology development.
Centennial Innovates for a better world.
Centennial Innovates for a better world.
Centennial Innovates for a better world.
Centennial Innovates, and we're proud of it.